I got a right, I had a reason, had a destiny. I thought I knew where I was headed, I would never look back. I had it all, and then I went and let it slip away. I'm working overtime, I'm gonna make it anyway. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, sometimes you never get it back. Oh, you know, but I'm rising up slowly and getting higher. I've been living with a hole in my heart, weighing down on me, but I'm a fighter. I know I still got a shot in the dark. Maybe we still got a shot in the dark. Sometimes in life you meet the people that you think you trust. Wake up one day, find that everything has turned to dust. But I always knew that you'd be waiting for me when I got back. Waiting when I came rising up slowly and getting higher. I've been living with a hole in my heart, weighing down on me, but I'm a fighter. I know I still got a shot in the dark. Baby, we still got a shot in the dark. But I'm gonna find a way. Baby, I'm gonna find a way, yeah. Gonna find a way. I've got a vision for the life that's right in front of me. I've got a right, I've got a reason, got a destiny. And I know exactly where I'm headed, I ain't never looking back. When nothing's holding